Good day, everyone. Learn how to clear cookies and cache from Microsoft Edge. I'll tell you the easiest process to do it. And by clearing cookies and cache, your browser will definitely work better. So at the top right corner, where you see the three dots, click on that and then go to settings. And here we need to click on this privacy, search and services. The second option is privacy, search and services. Scroll down, and here you will find clear browsing data. This includes history, passwords, cookies, and more data. Only data from this profile will be deleted. So we need to choose what to clear. The moment you will click on that, you need to select the time range first. So I'll select all time, and you want to delete the browsing history, download history, cookies, cache. If you want to clear the passwords, you can do a check mark. And if you want to do the autofill, site permission, these are the unchecked already. So I will only go with the cookies and I will not delete the browsing history, only cookies and cache. So here I can see the cookies and cache is there, and I'll click on clear now. So in this manner, we have successfully cleaned the cookies and cache from Edge browser. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, please hit like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.